garage door.
But the only thing to stop it from coming out and going through the roof, it hit the ceiling, it hit the cabinets right here. That's why it's bent right here. And it's white paint for my counters right here. Because it only had this much room to slide under. She's got 15 or 20 pictures that I sent them.
Yeah, it's not fixing. Trash.
I know, but
We know, but they
you gotta
made
be
you.
certified. One guy already came and looked at it once. Look at this. It beat the side out of it. It beat the front out down here. You know, and that's powder coated. You know. I don't know if it did any damage back there, but both sides and the top are terrible, and it messed up the cabinets too. Found a book in here, didn't even know it existed. Look at this. There's a book. Right there. So how does that work? That counterweight slide, or is it permanent? You don't know?
Well, see, and they sent you guys out because you're Whirlpool certified,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. I was curious because the last guy, the guy that came over the first time, he said he's not even. Look at all that shit down in there.
See?
It blew it apart. Look down here. This ain't supposed to be like that.
But they're saying you can fix this, by the way.
It's American Home Shield.
American Home Shield
American
said
Home
you
Shield.
can fix this. You can make it like new again.
What do you think? Y'all ever seen one of these? Do that? Whirlpool? Huh? There's 3 of them on the 3 videos on the internet like that. One of them in Dallas said that knocked the lady out. Yeah, that was pulled out. On some photographs.
They should have already. She should have. So,
When it was in the house.
Sophia, is she one of you guys' wife?
Sophia?
Uh huh. Well, she says she owns the company, so
Here's when it was in
I
the
just
house.
assumed. She has all the
I
pictures.
sent her all these pictures. Look at the inside of the tub.
She should have showed you.
That's what it did. See what it did to the cabinets? Well, I sit there. It took about 3 minutes for it to stop. For it to stop, I'll show you some more pictures when the counterweight is actually in the floor. Because it still had clothes in it. There's the counterweight. It finally belched it out the lid right there, and there's oil all over that wall and all over that refrigerator that's right beside it. Still has clothes in it. That's what it did. It turned itself. The door was locked. It was in a locked position. It still had power.
Yeah, it was still turned on.
Yeah, once it finally stopped, she was able to reach in there and unplug it from the wall. Yeah. They won't answer? Calling your boss?
Yep.
Sophia?
Hey. ¿Puedes hablar con el cliente con la lavadora? ¿Puedes hablar con el cliente con la lavadora? Buscamos el reporte, las fotos. Dile que te iba a mandar la aseguranza las cosas.
Made it quick for the stop.
So, yeah,
What do you
my office.
Hello? Yep.
Is that Sophia?
Yeah. Well, I don't have pictures that he's got. He took it apart. That thing's exploded on the inside. What? Yeah. I asked him when he got here if he had a bag of magic dust and a wand to fix it, because that's what it's going to take, because it's totally destroyed.
Yeah, I know, but they wanted to go.
Oh, I know. Right. Okay.
I told her 5 minutes, and they've
Okay.
not even been here 5.
Okay.
Didn't take long, did it?
Thank you.
You know, she loses y'all a lot of business, just so you know. Sophia?